Now the quiz. Say the answer. Specify a line style option such as that seen below will only change the last line in the plot. So will this change only the last line in the plot, or they are asking will it change the entire plot? True or false? I want the answer. It is true or false? False. We'll see whether it is false. Yes. So it will change everything. It will not change the last line. It is going to change everything in the plot. Now plotting the matrix columns against a vector. So you see here, so you have the X varying from 1975 to 1987, and A is going to be the same random integer matrix. We'll run this so that you can see what data these two contain. I'll give a command whos. Whos will display the workspace for you so that you can have a better idea of what is there inside A and X. So plot each column in A on the y-axis using the elements in X for the x-axis values. So plot X comma A. I think this should be correct. Submit the answer. Yes. So for each value of X, I am plotting the column for A. So when you use A, it is going to be column. When you use A dash, it is going to be the, when you use A dash, it is going to be the row. Okay. The line width of 2. I'm going to use the plot is same. I'm going to add the parameter comma line width of 2 with dashed lines. Dashed lines means I'm going to use comma this dash. I hope this is correct. We'll see the answer. Line style, I should use 2 dash. Single dash means a straight line. 2 dash means I think you will get a dashed line, broken line. Yes, the diagram is good. I think yes, all the tick marks. We got all the tick marks. So now you can use the command window to practice the commands. You can do that. Plotting electricity usage. Load electricity and revenue is priced into usage and whose. So see here the plot each year's usage as a separate line versus month. See, every year has 1 into 26. How I am going to use the plot each year's electricity usage. How I am going to plot each year. So simple plot month comma usage. Simple plot MTH comma usage. I think this should be what is MTH. Use right MTH only we use. Yes, we are getting plot for different months. We are getting different months. We are getting the plot. Plot each month with a separate line versus the year. So as a separate line versus the year. So I am going to use plot IR comma usage. Now I am going to plot year and usage. I hope the answer will be correct. Or if it is wrong, we'll see where we are going wrong. Yes. Previously plot month versus usage. Now plot year versus usage. Month 0 to 12. Years you have all the years. Plot the revenue for the first month of quarter as separate lines versus the year. Add a descriptive legend to your plot. So I'm going to plot the revenue versus the first month of each quarter. So you see, I'm copying this code so that we can understand better. See here, I'm taking the revenue of first month 1, 3, 12, I'm taking a transpose plot year, first month. And legend, I'm giving location is northwest and Q. And what is Q? 1 into 4. Q will have the values January, April, July, October, and I'm passing the X label and Y label to my graph. I'm just doing it fast because we are familiar with this. See, January, April, July, and October. And only 4 graphs we are getting for the year. Previously, you see, we had for all the graphs. Now we are having only for the first month of each quarter. Same way, you can use xticks and xlabel, and you can improve the performance of your graph. And xticks and xlabel we have seen, so I'm not going into that. So now you can, we have seen in this type how to plot a matrix versus single vector. So this is a single vector, this is a matrix, how to plot columns from matrix, how to plot rows from matrix, and we have seen exclusively that.